All right. Hello and welcome, everyone. My name's Kenny. You know how this is my 1000D, right? Oh, Corsair 1000D. Yes. You're aware that I have a MSI RTX 3070 gaming trio thingamabobber. Glass is dirty. Guess what? We're going to take it a step further. I found a water block for this fella, and I can't wait. I bought it. It's in the mail. It's coming, and I can't wait till it shows up. And I'm just making this little teaser video so you can watch this, and I'll update the description and put a card in here when I'm done tearing this thing down, installing it, finishing the water cooling loop in here, and we'll see what this thing can really do with what are these 560s or something like that, 480s, I don't remember. These are four 120 millimeters, and then my big 3 by 140 millimeter up top radiators. Yes, can't wait. So excited. Stay tuned to the channel for that. Appreciate you.